Hey, what's up everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can install LineageOS 23, which is Android 16 on your Samsung Galaxy M52 5G. So let's get started. So yeah, before we do this, keep in mind that this will erase all the data on your phone, so it is better to take a backup of all your data. And also you need to make sure your phone's bootloader is unlocked and you have TWRP recovery installed. If you don't know how to install TWRP recovery, I have made a separate video on it. I'll leave the link in the description down below, you can check it out. Okay, so next up we need to download some files. Head over to the links in the description down below and you will be taken to these pages. So the first link is the LineageOS website where you need to download the ROM zip file. So yeah, as you can see, LineageOS is also available for many other devices as well. But as this video is focused on Samsung Galaxy M52, I'm gonna have to scroll down and then expand Samsung. And here is Samsung Galaxy M52 5G. Click on that. And then you need to download the latest build. Just click on the download button over here and the download is going to start. I'm not gonna download it as I have already downloaded it. So yeah, once you click the download button over here, the download will start. Next up is Google Apps or GApps for short. Here you need to click on mobile. Make sure you are on the line which says LineageOS 23 Android 16. Click on ARM64. And now here you can scroll down a bit and here you need to click on this file which is ending with .zip. Just click on it and the download will start. So yeah, once you have the files downloaded, you can exit out of your browser. And now we need to copy these two files over to our phone's SD card. You can use SD card or USB OTG. It's just that I don't prefer internal storage. So yeah, let me connect my phone to my PC real quick. Okay, I'm gonna copy it to my SD card. I'm just gonna create a folder called LOS, which stands for LineageOS, and just drag and drop these two files over here. And now we wait for the file to finish copying. Okay, so once the file has finished copying, we can disconnect the phone from our PC and then we need to boot the phone into recovery mode. Let me just check if these both are copied properly. 1.65 GB. Oh yeah, okay. So yeah guys, now you can disconnect the phone from your PC and now we need to boot into the recovery mode. Okay, so to boot into the recovery mode, you need to first switch off your phone, connect phone to your PC using the USB cable. While your phone is still connected to your computer, you need to press and hold the volume up button and the power button. Keep them pressed until you see the TWRP recovery logo. So yeah, that's how you get into the recovery mode. I'm sorry, I already booted into the recovery mode without recording. So yeah, once you're in recovery mode, you need to tap on wipe, advanced wipe. Select Dalvik/ART cache, metadata, data, internal storage, swipe to wipe. It's okay if you get an error, go back, come back again, tap on format data, type in the word yes, and okay, that is done. You need to tap on back, go to the TWRP recovery home screen, tap on reboot, tap on recovery. This is gonna reboot the phone back into your TWRP recovery. Press the power button here. Let me adjust the brightness. Okay, so once your phone is in TWRP recovery, you need to tap on install and then browse to where you have stored the ROM zip file and the Google Apps zip file. So mine is in SD card inside the LOS folder, so I'm gonna go there. Tap on the LineageOS 23 zip file, tap on add more zips, tap on mind the GApps zip file, and then swipe to confirm the flash. Now we need to wait until the flashing process is complete. Okay, once the flashing process is complete, reboot back into the recovery once. So tap on home, go to reboot, recovery, and now we wait for the phone to boot back into the recovery mode. Press the power button here. Okay, now tap on wipe, advanced wipe, select dalvik/art cache, metadata, data, internal storage, and then swipe to wipe. It's okay if you get this error, go back again, tap on format data, type in the word yes, and now you can tap on the reboot system button. Now it's gonna reboot into the LineageOS ROM. It's gonna take some time as it is the first boot. So yeah, please wait patiently. And as you can see, the phone is booted into the LineageOS ROM. So yeah guys, this is the setup screen. Let me set this up real quick. And as you can see, we are inside the home screen of Android 16. Look at the new, oh wait, looks like the brightness is too much. Let me adjust it. Yeah, okay, now you should be able to see it properly. So yeah guys, this is the Android 16 ROM, and as you can see, this is the new notification panel. Let me go to settings to show you. Oh, look at the UI, nice and colorful. So yeah, we go to about phone, scroll down, and as you can see, it says Android version 16. So let me tap on that and show you. So yeah, as you can see, Android version 16. So we have this running. Oh. And what is this? This is something. So yeah guys, yeah, this is how you get Android 16, which is LineageOS 23 on your Samsung Galaxy M52 5G. The animations are so smooth, man. So yeah guys, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.